Adding an alignment bay to your shop is one way to add capacity, but increasing capacity does not address the issue of current productivity of your current alignment bay. Older or budget alignment equipment, well, it can kill productivity and any enthusiasm for recommending and performing alignments. It could be at your shop, it's just a case where the alignment bay has become just a tool to repair tie rod ends, steering rack. It's the last step in a job. But an alignment rack and system and bay should be a tool to sell regular maintenance services, which should be the bulk of your alignment service sales. New alignment consoles, targets, and even racks are ergonomically designed for automatic operation. Basically, these features save the technician from having to make numerous trips around the vehicle and rack. Combined, these features reduce the time it takes to get the initial readings and the eventual approval from the customer for either an adjustment or parts for the vehicle. Even something as simple as this barcode scanner can make for a faster, more accurate alignment by unlocking the power of the VIN. Another example of a time-saving innovation is an inflation station at every wheel. Every tech knows that correcting the tire inflation pressure is a first essential step in performing the alignment process. In the alignment bay, it is a lengthy process that starts with finding the air chuck, gauge, and then inflating each tire one by one, waiting for the pressure to reach the correct levels. With an inflation station at each wheel, all the technician has to do is set the pressure and attach the chuck. This can be performed when the technician is attaching the targets. This saves them a trip around the vehicle. Another productivity killer can be the turn and slip plates on your alignment rack. Some plates need to be locked and unlocked during the alignment with pins. Pulling the pins and installing the pins adds many trips around the rack just to get the initial readings, and even more when you're performing an adjustment. New racks can include slip and turn plates that can be locked and unlocked with the touch of a button, or they can be automatically controlled by the alignment console. But the ultimate time savers are the cameras and the targets. If you're still using an old alignment system that has the electronics at the head with the sensors, well, it might take you 10 to 15 minutes just to get everything set up and get the initial readings. With these innovations, you can get the initial alignment readings in as little as 70 seconds. All of this information can be printed out for the customer to view so you can sell additional adjustments, parts, and other services for the vehicle. If you're looking for the best possible way to maximize your return on investment for an alignment bay, look at the equipment. Often these technologies and solutions are cheaper than brick, mortar, and even building permits.